Today, you'll take the Daily Oral Language Quiz number 7. Be sure to put your name and your class number at the top of the page. This first section, you're going to correct these sentences. Remember that the written sentence is what will be graded, not any editor's marks you make. Number 1. Melissa, despite a lot of harder work, didn't altogether finish painting her room. Number 2. The Williams family moved to Madison on October 5th, 2005, and lived there for years. Number 3. A tall, quiet boy standing at the side of the court watched the tennis match. Number 4. You're going to circle the abstract noun in this sentence. In the last year, demand for organic produce, meat, and dairy products has grown. For number 5, you're going to circle the simple subject and underline the complete subject of this sentence. The sweet and spicy smell of barbecued chicken filled the kitchen and dining room. For number 6, you're going to circle the predicate adjectives, plural, there's more than one, in this sentence. Runners find the Boston Marathon both challenging and satisfying.